Hey guys, it's Adya and I'm back with a banger of a starter kit. So I'm giving you guys 3 seconds to kind of guess which one it is. So I'm just gonna put a clue on the screen. So 3, 2, and 1. Yes guys, you guessed it right, it is LUKSO. So why did I decide to do LUKSO this week is primarily because they have this hackathon called Let's Hack the Grid. It has the big prize pool of $150,000. So I feel like this is the perfect time to drop this banger because anybody in LUKSO that actually kind of wants to dive into ZKTLS or just wants to break away from the centralized API world of data and head into the verifiability side of things, this is the right time and we have made a starter kit. So this starter kit is essentially gonna help you take any application that you've built and add a verifiability layer on top of it in under five minutes, not seconds. Oh, that would be insane. So if you guys can't do it in 5 seconds, we owe you dinner as always. So what this starter kit kind of does, it mints a token after you generate a proof. It mints a token called as cloud tokens. So how are these cloud tokens kind of configured? So imagine you have X followers on Twitter. The cloud tokens that you receive will be 100x. So if you have 100 followers on Twitter, your follower count, like your cloud token count, essentially becomes 10,000. So that's kind of how it works. And yep, let's jump straight into it. Yes, I am supposed to do it in under 5 minutes, or else, yep, this might be the last time you can see me. Yep, let's get straight into it. So I've already kind of cloned the repo onto my cursor here. So as you guys can see, it is already here. So let me just run the command to install all the dependencies, just making sure everything is gonna be right. So yep, this is the cloud token contract. So let's copy that and go to our remix. So we're gonna name this as LUKSO test. And I'm just going to paste it over here. Yes, remix, you can trust this contract. And yep. So essentially what this is going to do, it's going to take the proof that you input, the number of followers you have as an input, and then it's going to mint the token based on the proof. So that's what it's going to do. Let me go ahead and compile this right now. And yep, that is done. And now let's do it. Now we can have to deploy this. So let's flatten it out before we do that. So we've just flattened it. Let me just go ahead and copy the license onto here as well. And yep, let's deploy it. So this is the right one. And yep. So I've already did a wallet connect. So I have MetaMask installed with my LUKSO testnet network on it. So I'm just going to deploy it on there. And it is running. And I just have to confirm this. And let's see what happens. So hey guys, we're back, and that took a couple of seconds. And we have the contract address. So we're just going to go to our LUKSO testnet explorer and kind of search it up. And yep, we just created the contract and it's not verified yet. So let's go ahead and verify and publish this contract right now. So what I'm going to do is it has an MIT license. It's a single file compiler. We used a 26 for this one. And now we have to go to our contract code. So let me go to our flattened one, kind of copy that, bring that over here and paste it. And let's publish it. And yes, guys, we have successfully verified and published our contract. So right now what we're going to do is we're going to head on to our remix, kind of copy the contract address that we have here and kind of go into our IDE and paste that over here. So we have a utils folder which has all of the constant values. So we're just going to replace the contract address over here. And we also have to replace the API. So if you guys do follow my content, you guys already know that my face is 100% gonna be covering up the API point. So let me just copy that and yep, let me just paste it over here. So let me just collapse this. And yep, I think that is it. So now let's actually look on to what we can do to run the terminal. So npm run dev. And this is going to open up a local host. and it's telling that we are on the wrong network. So let's just connect our wallets and make sure that we are on the right one. And yep, so right now we have a front end that we have already developed just for this, just so that you guys can see what the number of tokens, the number of followers you have, and the number of tokens that you guys are going to be receiving. So I am doing the reclaim flow right now. So I'm just going to share my screen. Can I show you guys what I'm going to do it? So yep, we'll see you guys on my mobile phone. So here we are on the reclaim flow, and we just have to click on open app clip, which opens up Twitter. So yes, the next process would be to log in to kind of fetch that data because it is private data. So let's go ahead and do that. So this is my Twitter ID for anybody who's wondering. I'm just gonna type in my password as well. Yep, so I just kind of skipped this entire part to kind of hide my authenticator app essentially, and it's gonna essentially verify the data in record time. And yep, we are back. So we just created a proof, and now I'm gonna just stop mirroring and it should come over here. So we just got the proof over here as well. So we have the claim data, we have an array. So we have the signatures of the proof here as well. We also have the data. So right now I have 969 followers. So yeah, hopefully by the end of this video, it becomes 1,000 because that will be a huge milestone for me as well. And yep, that is exactly how you use the Reclaim LUKSO starter kit and how you are going to be receiving your cloud tokens. So yep, if you guys have any ideas that you guys want to bounce off of me about ZKTLS, feel free to hit me up on Twitter or just comment down on the video on what you guys want to build. And if you guys have any doubts, we have a very active Telegram community, so you can just head over there and just ask any doubt you have, and we are super responsive. And yep, so thank you guys again for watching the video, and I hope you guys got something out of it. So save this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.